Good morning everyone. Welcome in your English online class. Our today's topic is conjunctions. We are going to do the topic conjunctions. So, let us elaborate the heading first. The word con means with or together, and the word junction means a meeting point or a state of being joined. Means when we join something, we do it with the help of the word conjunctions. That is why we call conjunctions joining words and connecting words. Now, for more elaboration, let us go through the definition. A conjunction is a word which joins words, clauses, phrases, and sentences. We see that if we want to join words, clauses, phrases, and sentences, we can connect them with the help of conjunctions. Let us elaborate all these aspects with the help of examples. At first place, we are having words. We see how we can join words with the help of conjunctions. If we have the word cat, dog, now we have to join these words. We can do it with the help of conjunction and. We see that after applying and, we have joined these two words cat and dog. Now we are having person Ram, Sham. In order to join these two persons to consider them as a whole, Ram and Sham, we have joined it with the conjunction and. Tea, coffee. Now we are joining, again we see that we are joining these tea and coffee with the conjunction and. So we see that with the help of conjunction and, we are joining two words. Now here comes the turn of phrases. We see that we wanted to walk in the forest or on the hill. कहता है कि हम वॉक करना चाहते थे कहाँ पर, इन द फॉरेस्ट, फॉरेस्ट में या पहाड़ी पर. सो हेयर वी आर सीइंग दैट दीज फ्रेजेस इन द फॉरेस्ट, ऑन द हिल, वी आर जॉइनिंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कंजंक्शन और and making it the whole sentence as a whole. Now clauses. They went to the park, had a picnic. We see that if this sentence is given in the form of clause, we can join it with the help of the conjunction and. They went to the park and had a picnic. Let us go through another example. I wanted to go dash, could not go. Now we see that we are joining this clause with the conjunction but. I wanted to go but could not go. We see that subordinating clause is joining with the principal clause with the help of the conjunction but. Now comes the turn of sentences. Let us go through example. Shubham is smart. Sahil is lazy. We are having the conjunction but here to join these two sentences. Shubham is smart but Sahil is lazy. Next example is Ruchi was happy dash, she won the competition. We are making use of the conjunction as. Ruchi was happy as she won the competition. So students, we see that with the help of the conjunctions, we can combine or connect the words, phrases, clauses and sentences. So conjunctions are joining words and connecting words. I hope that the definition of conjunction and the concept of conjunction is quite clear to you. Try to elaborate your own sentences of the given aspects. Keep on learning, keep on watching. Thank you students. Good.